Repair, rebuild, and relax. Hello, allow me to introduce you to Credit360 Credit Repair. We are an elite team of credit experts that know exactly what techniques will assist you with increasing your credit scores to meet your goals. The dedication to your credit success is seen in our proven results over the years. Most of the clients see deletions within the first 45 days of enrollment and usually see an average increase of 93 points throughout their program. Our effective disputing strategies usually allow us to quickly remove collections, charge-offs, repossessions, and more. We only charge a fee when items are deleted, removed, or repaired from your credit report. With our $360 Repair, Rebuild, and Relax Credit Repair program, we are so confident in our advanced disputing tactics that we will allow you to pay for your deletions after you actually see our results. And we even give you a 90-day money-back guarantee to back it up, just so you can sit back and relax. Credit Repair Program highlights: full credit audit, Equifax, TransUnion, Experian. No monthly fees. Our pricing is simple: pay after deletion. Comprehensive credit audit every 45 days. Unlimited credit items disputed for 1 year. 12-month coaching and education. Assistance with structuring lines of credit. Support with card spending and trade line building. So don't let another day go by with less than perfect credit. Contact us now for a free no-obligation credit consultation. Telephone 1-866-840-4646. Website credit360.biz. Facebook Credit360 Credit Repair. Instagram Credit360. Credit360. We love helping good people with bad credit.